Guys, so this is part 2 of how to make a mini cake, and this one's fully dried and I painted all the sides because I also made another squishy. Get it? So this is now pretty squishy, and I paint this like glossy and the other is not, and it's very soft. And yeah, so now for this part we're gonna draw the heart or any design on it. I'm gonna draw a heart with this color. You can always use another color, but I'm using this color. So just put a little and draw the filling as well. Just put a little bit. There we go. A little dollop. And then you take your purple side of your used chopstick. Try to draw a heart. First, just dip it down. And then you just move it to the side, like, like you put it in the side. Here's a demonstration. Put a dot. Okay, then you swoosh it. Put another dot and you swoosh it down. And there you got a little heart. Mine looks so ugly. No worries, you can always fix it. This is an ugly looking heart. So then you just take some and like spread it all over like this, so that the whole chopstick side has it, and then just scoop it off a little bit. You don't want too much. And then just put up. And there we go, some filling. If it doesn't really work that well, you can draw lines on it like this. And yeah, that's how you make the filling, and do the same for all the sides. And then you're done with the squishy. I don't have the gas off corner here. Don't blame me. And there. There. And just do the same thing for the very last side. And then you're done the squishy. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!